Yo, yo, we finally back, and I promise I ain't gonna take another break. At least not a break this long. But yeah, man, we back. I'm gonna take you around today, get you back up to date. Y'all already seen the last blog. If you ain't seen the last blog, which is basically covering what's probably happened in the last 3-4 months, I advise you do before watching this. But yeah, man, let's get to it. I got a lot of new content for y'all, a lot of new advice, a lot of new free game, a lot of car shit, Leaving my other baby here today. We rolling in the Benz. But yeah, it feels good to be back in front of the camera. I had to get I stopped using the phone, so now I got a camera. I got my MacBook, so I'm able to edit every night, I'm really hoping to drop a lot of content, at least 2-3 times a week, until I could get it to like every day. I'm in the middle of getting a film crew and all this together, because it's not just my channel. I got the Mixmasters channel where we're going to be doing advice and tutorials and the lifestyle behind the scenes in the studio. It's just so much. I'm also working on my son's YouTube channel. My son loves YouTube like crazy. He talks to me every day about working on his YouTube channel, so I got that in the works. So it's a lot, especially for one person to do by himself, So, but little by little, I'm building a team. I got a team at my job, but they don't really focus on film and editing and all that shit, So I'm in the middle of finding a team for that. But yeah, I'm gonna give you a tour of the print shop now that it's finally done and in the works. But stay tuned, a lot of good content on the way. So now that you all caught up, let me show you the print shop now. So this is basically my office. Still needs a little furniture and shit like that. Paint. Just finished cleaning some screens. Screen cleaner. Dip tank. Screens. Dark room. Still need to bring some stuff in here. We're just missing some furniture to put the stuff on. Bed drive. Extractor unit. Exposure unit. It's good, man.
Yo, what up, what up? You're working on some graphics. Tap in, print masters, baby. Marico. Todo lo que me pongo es la hija del vecino, marico.
Diablo, llegó el artista de verdad.
The cutter machine.
Kumba Nation. Kumba.
T-shirts. Yes, shop's pretty much done. Waiting for them to come tint the windows. We'll make this the whole showroom. Fix this up, make it look nicer. Yeah, shop is almost done.
Ya, ¿no?
Ya se quedaron 30 minutos, lo saco.
Let me try and wash it out.
Un ratico ahí para que...
How long have you been screen printing for?
Fanático de locura en Las Vegas, Ricky Morton. Soy yo.
Para que se marque más. Esa es la idea. Llégate para allá para el trabajo, vale. Vamos a hablar. Hay un rato. ¿Oíste? Tranquilo, hermanito. Ahí estamos activos. Ahí fuimos ahí me llevó para el evento y duro. Cosas buenas, tú sabes. Así.
Yo. This week. Yo, hold on, I'm gonna tell you something right now. Hold on. Just finishing this video clip right quick.
Yeah, who has a lighter on?
That's an awful lot of.
¿Por qué el Instagram de él?
My boy be long down this shit.
Este está duro.
Behind the scenes. Yeah, we got a print shop.
One head. One head.
See where we at. Direct connect.
Activo. Hey, estamos hablando aquí de Miami. Estamos con los brothers.
Remaster. Dany.
Came through with that shit on, off a lot of it, yes sir.
Activo.
This dead man died. I feel it.
Yeah, he did all that shit with his hand. He said he only one large in
Uno, dos, tres.
They sell them at All Star.
¿Qué hace esto?
Oh, we about to kill it. We out here, man. Yes, sir. We out here. Line.
Alright, I'm doing a YouTube channel then. Mom. I don't want to get a haircut. Oh, I forgot to tell you. There's a tattoo in here. When the YouTube channel was over, I forgot to. This is Power Ranger Blue. This is Blue Ranger.
And I know a lot of y'all keep asking why I haven't been vlogging. Trust me, I've been getting prepared. Even got more camera supplies. I think I'm still missing some, but trust me, I'm getting ready to give you guys a lot of content. Even got this wide angle lens. We're trying a bunch of new things. The microphone, of course, which I don't even got it attached. But yeah, we're gonna get to it. Put this bad boy on there. Jesus. Let's see what these guys are up to. Sounds like somebody's knocking on the door. And we do all these here in-house. You ain't gonna see another pair like this. Switch Nike check whenever you want. Different colors. You can even put different patches on here.
Daddy.
This sign he's working on for Jay Baldwin. What's up, Jay? Loading.
I'm a
I
little
thought it was
baby.
low, Jay. You got summer camp tomorrow.
I know.
Come on, get up. We're gonna go. Yeah. I know it's a big difference seeing it now. I'm seeing it empty. I'm seeing the construction. And there's still a lot more to come. More equipment. You get new tables. Like that's going. This is new, but I don't know if you can see. It's literally starting to bend. It's crazy as fuck. It looks up.
One eternity later.
So right now we're burning the image on the screen. This is the exposure unit. Basically heats the image that we put on the transfer paper onto the screen. So that way the screen looks something like this. And what I didn't know is that for every color you need a different screen. So this could be, let's say it's 3 colors on the logo. This will be 1 color. We make another screen with the same logo for another color. And if there's a 3rd color or a 4th color, we gotta make a 3rd and a 4th screen. So, sounds like a mission. It is a mission. It's not really, but it is if you're doing a small amount of t-shirts. That's why there's a minimum requirement when people want to do screen printing. Because the amount of work it might take, the amount of screens, you know, it's going to cost you a lot of money if you want a couple of t-shirts. Less than 10 t-shirts, it's going to cost you a lot because we got to charge you for all the screens that we were going to have to make depending on how many colors the logo has, depending if it's front and back. Once that's done, put the logo on the shirt and run it to the dryer.
Estamos haciendo lo que es la transferencia de el dibujo, del diseño al screen. Vamos a ver cómo sale. Ya tenemos uno. Esta malla es de 225 y es para que puedan
225 screen.
225 para que puedan salir las letras delgadas. En este, como vemos, no salió muy bien. Entonces vamos a intentarlo. Este sí salió bien. Vamos a intentarlo con él.
What he basically said was kind of the same thing I said. He explained a little bit about the difference between the screen. Let me go over here so y'all can hear me. So what he's saying about the screen is that the mesh count, which is the numbers that you see in 225 and the other one's like a 300, the higher the mesh count, the better for detail. Like that logo has very small font, like thin lines, very thin lines. So we need a screen with a higher mesh count, which is, I think he's using 305 and the other one's a 250. You know, the higher the numbers, I think it goes up to 305. The higher the detail. I know y'all checked in with us. You know, I was filming this probably like 3 days ago, but in 3 days, it's like this should be changing. The clothes, literally. Working on shit every fucking day and night. By the way, if y'all interested in getting some of this is a one-on-one. This is for the artist Faruco. But if you're interested in getting any merch, I'm gonna put the link in there for y'all to order some stuff. We're working on the website, but we got his website already up. But we're working on the website. We're gonna have different types of designs. You know, a little bit of everything for everything. shop's coming out. You know, we're gonna add some more colors, paint the whole roof and whatnot, add some lights up there. But so far, it's just a blessing. It's beautiful. Turned out perfectly. Can't be more happy and excited. I be wanting to go home, but I'm gonna go home when we got all this going on. You know what I'm saying? Look at everything I got going on. Why the fuck would I go home right now? Feel me? That's the difference between me and them. I want to be a boss. I just don't want to be here all these hours. That's the problem. Everybody want to be a boss. And people want to check out early, clock out early. We ain't doing that over here. So it's 2:30 in the morning, Thursday early morning, Wednesday late night. I'm still here. I was supposed to go home a little while ago, but I had to make sure we finish these last t-shirts for tomorrow. I can't go to sleep knowing we might have a driver. Clients been already bothering me. I haven't even opened up to the public. I'm just taking a couple orders so we practice and whatnot. And this particular order has been taking us a little bit of time because of the detail, but
it's the type of car that you
good.
move during the day, and when the sun sets, you take it out on the ground and
that's what it takes. But yeah, I want to be CEOs, business owners, entrepreneurs, run a business, manage a business, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of hours. You know, you can maneuver around it. You know, you can work smart, but it still takes a lot of being there, even when you don't want to be there. You know, even when there might not be a couple of things to do, but you got to set it in your mind that there's always something that needs to be done. Always. So, you just got to have that drive, that effort, that will, that determination. You know, it got to be in you. You know, at the end of the day, it's not just about the money, because sometimes I don't get paid to be here so many hours. You know what I'm saying? But being here so many hours knows that I ain't gonna lose neither. You know what I'm saying? So just so much comes from brainstorming, so much planning and, you know, perfection. And it's a lot of things. Like right now, I don't have the paper here, but we're doing the pricing sheets. It's just a headache. There's a lot of shit that I'm preparing in order to take customers. So, little things I'm learning. You know, I've never really been into the printing, t-shirt business. I've been printing flyers and other media, but you know, I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with it. You know, you set your mind to it, you can be good at anything you do, any business. You just gotta study it, research a little bit, get the right people. On my free time, I like watching car shows. It's called Monster Garage or some shit like that. Gotham City Garage. But yeah, I got more vlogs on the way. You know, more boss talk. Put y'all on the jet ski business, rental car business. And of course, I'm gonna put you on a little bit of how to run a t-shirt business. You know what I'm saying? Not just that, a business in general, but I'm gonna run you through it. You know what I'm saying? As far as starting LLC, INC, the difference between them, getting an attorney, not an attorney, I'm sorry, an accountant, the difference between an accountant and a CPA. Your accountant could be your bookkeeping, if it's not so much bookkeeping, you know, a lot of things that I didn't know when I jumped in the field. But I'm learning now, I already learned, you know, how to deal with the IRS, how to make sure you're straight with the IRS. So for the next vlogs, I'm gonna hook y'all up with some knowledge, some free game. Cause I never had nobody really teach me this. I had to go out my way to learn it, from accountants, the internet, from having the IRS write me letters and threats that they're gonna take my stuff for not paying them. So I can help y'all from not making some of the mistakes I made and ending up in situations that I ended up in with the IRS. You know, I'm gonna try to help y'all. It's only right. You know, it's something that they should have taught us in high school. You know what I'm saying? Even in college, you know, they don't want to teach it to you unless you go specifically to learn about accounting or financing. If you go do another career, they ain't gonna teach you nothing about taxes or accounting. That's the fucked up part. You know, hopefully they change that shit one day. Maybe they have, but for the most part, nobody's gonna teach you that shit. You have to teach yourself that.